Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to record voice in Messenger. Recording a voice message in Messenger is simple and quick. First, open Messenger app on your phone or tablet and go to the chat. Where you want to send a voice message, look for a microphone icon next to the text input box and press and hold it to start recording your voice. Speak clearly and keep your message concise. While recording, you can swipe up and lock the recording. If you want to record hands-free, once you finish the recording, release the microphone button and send the voice message. If you want to cancel it before sending, simply swipe left while holding the button. This is helpful if you make a mistake or change your mind. Voice messages are a great way to communicate faster than typing, especially for long messages or when you are on the go. Using these steps, you can quickly send a personal, clear, and audible message to your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial videos.